It'd work better if we took the cap off. I didn't record taking the rotor off the actual truck because I figured a lot of people already know that you just pull it straight off. There's no other thing other than that. And I'm checking out the races here, and I can see what looks like a tiny little bit of heat here and there. But as far as what I'm going to be using my truck for, which is just regular work, that's good enough to me to put them back in. Both sides look really good, and I don't really have like a brass punch to knock them out with, so I don't damage the rotor. So I'm just going to leave them in there. They're real smooth. There's no ridges, no grooves, nothing like that. So it should be fairly easy to put back together. Yes, I know a lot of people pack greases by hand, do it the old-fashioned way, but I'm going to cheat. I found this little nifty gadget on eBay, and you just put your bearings down in here. After this comes off, put them back in there, and then press it down, and it packs them for you. So I'm going to cheat and do it the easy way. This only cost me I think it was like 15 bucks. And then I had to go get some $5 grease. Worth it. Go ahead and do the little one first. And I just ordered me a kit offline off eBay as well for the bearings, so they're probably not super high quality, but they don't look bad. They look fairly decent. Like that. Press it down. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, it's a little harder than I thought, but I can see the grease already coming through the bearings. Just gotta really put some force on it. Like really put some force on it. Jeez. All right. That is packed. See what it does? It just shoves it straight through. Covers it all the way. I'm going to spread it in there and pack that in there with my fingers a little bit. Might press down a little bit further, just to get a little more in there. Yeah, I'm going to press down a little more. All right. That one is packed. Not bad. I think it would work better if my grease was a little warmer, but it is probably only in the low 50s, so not that warm outside. Not super cold, which is great, but definitely not that warm either. There's that one. Put this one in till I get over there. Oh wait, no, I gotta knock the. I should take that one back out. I should take that one back out. I was missing a step. I'm going to have to put the seal in on this one, so I should have done this one first. Nice. This is ridiculous on how hard it truly is to press down. That's literally almost all my weight. That is ridiculous. 200 pounds? Does it real good that way, though. Shoved it right on in there. Oh. Great. Nice. Quality equipment.